Izipani zibulawa yibo labafethu la. Izipani bayazibulala. But izikhona azikho Khumza. Yibo abazibulala. Not so long ago I was just reading on Emalahleni FM News. TY Transalloys, it's about to retrench 600 people.
Zero 013 Golden Circle, another day, another dollar. Welcome to yet another episode in the new year of 2026. Before siqhubeka namhlanje ngitshela ukuthi sihleli nobani kanjani, I'd like to say thank you very much to all of those who have subscribed to our channel and also those who are putting in our comments. We really appreciate your comments. Siyakhula nathi as a podcast. Without your comments usho ukuthi vele siloku simile endaweni eyi1 nalento esiyenzayo acace ukuthi kwenzakalani, but yeah, sibonga kakhulu. This is 2026. This is 2026. We're hoping also ukuthi siqhubeke ngalo lenyawo leli besiqhubeka ngalo in the previous year, which was 2025. We've lost some of our comrades wethu in the struggle, like in a very special way. I'd like to say this episode she dedicated one of our own, Kenneth Mkiti, who passed away last year in 2025. Ukuthi may his spirit continue to live on. Like I said, welcome to yet another day. It is 2026. Sisesekhona eMoonlight. Never mind the background. Sisesekhona eMoonlight lapha eWilly Ackerman. Net setup sechintshile angeke ngazi ukuthi ngizoyisha kanjani, but yeah, you do understand. Today in our midst we've got a young man here. I think I qualify to call you young man. Yeah, I qualify to call you a young man. We are sitting with a young man by the name of Athanasius Lindokuhle Wagankosi. The young man is very passionate about this intezibhaya, but most kakhulu we are passionate about education. If I can put it mhlambe ngithi, he's an education advocate. He's a youth leader, community builder, born and bred khona la eWitbank. Yabona i-life journey yakhe, as far as we know ukuthi it is shaped by both ama privileges nama adversities, yabona. So ngazo zonke lezi zinto ezimthonakalele eleveni yakhe, uBongane has decided to open up a foundation that is called Cover My Book Foundation. Well, I know what is Cover My Book Foundation, but the reason why we are having him here today is for him to expand more on what is this Cover My Book Foundation. Bongani,
Khumza,
how are you, Athanasius?
I'm very good, and thanks, man. 100%. Yonke into ihamba kahle. Compliments of the new season.
Compliments of the new season now, Tiami, and thank you very much ukuthi usithinte uthi, look gentlemen, I'd like ukuthi sisebenzisane in this 2026, because as a podcast yaseKasi nathi we planning also ukuthi sisebenzisane with other stakeholders njengoba sila eMoonlight. It has been our venue for the past year, and we also like I said, we really appreciate what you did for us. Ungayithathi kancane lento senzele wena ukusithinta kwakho, you know. Ma uthinta lapha sichecka lapha kulento zakhona lapha boma email thiwa hey madoda, hey lo muntu usikhuluma kamnandi, so thank you very much.
It's a pleasure, Mr. Khumza. Once again, thanks to E013 for opening up the circle for us, and also compliments to our viewers of E013. May this season be the blessed one. May you fulfill everything ofuna ukuyifulfilla. But most definitely, let's grow into yaseKasi. I don't like calling it into yaseKasi. Let's grow into yethu. Sithathe sibeke on another platform. And this is just the beginning. But if you continue being united as abantu baseKasi lethu, then we take this pride and we put it on the map. And then we're definitely good to go. Basically, Khumza, as much as we have enlightened, it's Athanasius Lindokuhle, better known as Bongani Nkosi, to those who don't know me, from Cover My Book Foundation, SA, better known as Cover My Book Charity Drive for the past 4 years. So we've decided on 2026 to embark on this wonderful journey in conjunction with relevant stakeholders, but most definitely 013 Golden Circle. We reached out to Golden Circle, I think it was last year, when we sent out an email and say, man, look, we've been part of this thing, we've been watching you guys doing extra work, good work. How about we come and partner with you guys to spread the awareness of Cover My Book charity drive and who we are, what are we intending to do to the community. You understand? So you guys never look back and say, no, come on board. We are here to advocate for these wonderful gestures that you guys are doing for your community as a Catholic.
Yeah, man. Thank you. You know, as someone that is advocating for education is very much important. It's very much important, and our wish also as E013 is we want to see people getting educated, and also we know this nowadays to say people are saying, okay, siyafunda, but then we end up having qualifications of which are not put on greater use because of the current situation that is happening in the country. We need not to shy away from such things. Ukuthi ngiyafunda bese kwenzakalani and stuff, you understand? But what is important is, as much as zonke lezi zinto zenzakala, abantu bahleli phansi nama qualifications and stuff, we need not to say education is not important. It is important because at the end of the day you might never know ukuthi uzozithola ukuphi in the next coming years. Like myself, ngihleli la, I'm doing this podcast. I never thought ukuthi once upon a time in my life I'll be a podcaster, but here I am today because of education. Now, awungitshelelana sesihambe kamnandi indaba yethu. I'm enjoying this singakayanga kude. Awusitshele kabanzi ukuthi who is Athanasius, ubani ubongani nje, just take us through i-childhood yakho na yonke into.
Basically, Kumza, thanks for this wonderful privilege. Kumza, basically, I would simply say Athanasius. This one is going to be a difficult name for Abalale.
Recognized even in the dictionary.
Yeah, so let's utilize the better known kama Ubongani Nkosi. So Ubongani Nkosi is intwana ikhulele from Kasi. Abazali sike sahlala ePutsini, hence before umama bekaSpana ahlala ePutsini, and then mina I later moved there ngaDecide ukuhlala nomagogo ngapha eAkaville e3101 Mathibela Street ba sibisi strat saka makhosikosi strat saseMoshari.
Ohlala estratini saka makhosikosi.
So ngikhula from lelo Kasi lelo under the same name yaNkosi. So I went to school eHlalani Kahle Primary School, and then I later proceeded to eKharisa Primary School, and again ngabuya futhi eKasi ngazofunda eKhonzimfundo Primary School. It's where I pursued up until to grade 8, and then I went to Edu College to pursue my high school year until I completed my matric. And then after, due to life circumstances, I failed with matric wami. And then after failing matric, things were sideways, man. Kumza zanke kube mnandi. Then I decided to go, no man, ngifailing matric, then what's next? You understand? So mind you, on the other hand, when I Kumza a semi-professional runner, I would simply call myself a semi-professional runner because I compete nationwide. I compete wherever I need to compete. I've been to essays, that's how we call it. So I've developed that desire. Yoguti, I'm a winning person. I'm a winning champion. Whatever that I do, I believe in winning. It's either 1 or 2, but 3. I don't settle for less, man. Masingithole 3 like.
Can I interject there mhlambe kancane before siqhubeka? You said you failed your matric.
Yes.
Did you do something mhlambe ukuthi ukhona ukumbamba umatric or
That's where I'm heading to.
That's where I'm heading to. Gijima nayo mgijima.
So we are I was not someone who was settling for less, you understand? So I'd simply say running on its own taught me like perseverance, hard working, and to make sure I don't settle for less. So mangfailu matric wami Kumza, I was like, what's next now? And then I contacted my mentor. I was like, hey mentor, which is Emmanuel Shepamba from Kangala Athletic Academy back in Middleburg. Mentor na situation, my results ngiyabona ngilike garage but angikho APP. Mentor athi ngiphi student number shy SMS it is sorry, you need to contact your relevant schools for your results. So what it meant Kumza, I had to go to school. Ngiyathola i-statement so that I can see for sure ukuthi uphasile, if ufailile then yini leyo subject oyifailile. And then I got to school. Luckily there was no one around the school premises mase collect ama results. I think I was the second or third maybe mase ngikhona ukuzolanda ama results. And then I get into the principal office, ngithola my maths teacher and then my English teacher. Bathola balapha vele ba negotiate with the principal. I'm like, okay, should I get in or ngingangeni? Ngiba novalo nyana but ngitathi ngicina isibindi nyangeni. As I enter that, the principal, I'm like, with a smile, hi Bongani, hi ma'am, how are you? Good, thanks. Are you here for your matric results? Yes, ma'am, but I didn't appear on the paper, then I don't understand. But no, it's fine, we can settle this one. Here's your statement. Masengivula lapha man Kumza. Vele ishaye. Phathu munye uvalo. Kumza inhliziyo vele ibibhlungu.
I-statement isiconfirma
sesiconfirma lo fail.
ukuthi vele now okay.
Yeah, sesiconfirma ufail Khumza. I'm like ngiyaqala.
Mhlambe ube nalento le ukuthi maybe ile gama laka Athanasius
No, it wasn't.
alikho recognized, maybe that is why now.
No, it wasn't that Khumza. It was just very straight fail. But only to find out it wasn't a co-fail. I only failed home language, English. So very more fail home language, Ishai.
Injalo.
So then the principal who sits down with me, but like, okay, you've got only two options. It's either you go and supplement, or you come back, sit down the whole year. Yeah. I'm like, principal, let me go and take a decision. She was supportive. I call him Menso as I come out of the school. I'm like, Menso man, now situation is so. This is the situation in failing only one subject. And then I mean, to go back to school, humble find out. So if you are supplement, how many subjects are you allowed to supplement? If we are the skin, decide to decide. Then I get back to the
skin uzanza alles.
Mabuyele the skin uzenza alles. And then your counter ke lapho Khumza ukhumbule ukuthi I was a year older than my grade. By the time ukhumbule matric it's either umfinish una 18 or 19. So mina I was already 20. Yabona because ngike ngafaila.
Yeah, sure.
So senginejive ukuthi ngiyosha matric at the age of 21. Yabona. But nonetheless isikele ngifunda kiso which was Ed College. Bekunabantu abana 22 abashaya umatric bebuya from different school bazofunda umatric. So I was babuya laba babuya khona. So I was motivated by that on the other hand, but I was like, but one subject. No, let me supplement. And then we take up the decision ngaqolisa amaphepha nga supplements. And then I went for supplementary exam. Mase bawa submit but you cannot do one subject or if you have to do two or more. I'm like, okay, let me upgrade my business because it's not like sharp. I did my business, I did my English. Then I wrote, I attended my extra classes. By the way, thanks to Michelle, this other tutor of mine. Yeah, she was very supportive to me. She was very, very supportive. From that particular day, I got the statement. The next day, I told her, Michelle, this is the situation I'm having. Michelle, what? No, Bongane, it's fine. I will assist you in whatsoever, man. When I come 9 o'clock in the morning,
Michelle, is she from the high school where you were attending?
No, she was a private tutor.
Oh,
she was a private tutor, yes.
Oh, you also went for private tutoring?
I went for private tutoring, by the way, Khumza. So now, I cannot go to school in your attend because my sense of this step is slightly school. Yeah, I went to a private tutor, Michelle. Michelle was there for me. Science, my extra papers, poetry, and everything. Sharp. We did that with Michelle. And then on the day before Michelle told me, no, you're a good candidate. You're gonna do this one. Sure. Go for it. Sapali paper luktala. Sapali paper list 2, paper 3. Ngapali business ngacet. But I felt Khumza deep inside. No man, I aced this thing. But deep inside, abantu man, you know, society in the universe tends to manipulate us, man. Supplement iyashaya. Chances are the mark you might get at least yona or lesser than that. If we are past, ngapha situation kamdala finance yabona man because school fees siyasho naso da yabona. Sharp. Then come run about Easter holidays, so was approacher. Then I go back to school, new consult. Says we statement some. No, you must come back after the holidays. It will be back. Sharp. I get into the school after the holidays. Hi ma'am, hi, sharp on. Menzo collect statement some. But no, you should go and see the principal. I'm like, yes, so valo futhi. Saying one principal, I knock into the principal's office. By then it was Mrs. Luetz at college. Those who want Mrs. Luetz. Ina Luetz, yes. Those who
fast
No, it's Mrs. Luetz from Edu College. Those who've been to Edu College, they know yeah, under head leadership, school is maintain 100% available. So it's a samosha that comes. That's 97. And then I get to the principal's office. Principal, hi, Bongane. Yeah, I'm here for my results. It's another day, another dollar. Hi, Loma, I'm very disappointed in you. Man. I know you tried, but I'm very much sorry. Take.
Can you imagine? Let's just get the supplement.
I want to ngicimeza kaphunjani.
Sure.
Angibambalela phepha ngiyacimeza. Shaya ngisho prayers aniyasho teshe inkosi ngisiza ngazile abangitshelayo. Mangivula Khumza lento ithi pass. Yo. Khumza angazi ukuthi ngathi bengiphethe enye ibhereni enye nje kwavele kwadissolveka yonke into ethi
No, I can imagine, to getting a result positive is very encouraging. Yeah.
and mind you wena Khumza makuphuma lawo ma results ne mangiphuma esigele sengisotapile izinto zami abantu bayafona amajita uphasile kenzakalani mina I went straight on Facebook. I even keep that post every year. I post it on my status. I remember I wrote something similar yokuthi if something iyenzakala don't ask yourself ukuthi why iyenzakala. This has to be a reason or a motivation for you to clearly reflect on it so that ma reflect again you know for sure ukuthi ubuyaphi as a person. You understand? Bese ke masubheka lento le achieve whatever that you want to achieve, you should know vele a struggle was supposed to happen for you to be this successful.
A struggle was supposed to happen for you to be this successful. Now uzokubuza something ukuthi if you don't mind, yes, which year was it ma complete matric masowenza even the supplementation?
I did my matric 2017. In as much as you said you do qualify to call me a young man.
Yeah, ila ngifuna ukuya khona because la ngifuna ukuya khona because ever since kwaqala labo ma 2000 sikhuphuka nawo, most students they tend to kill themselves. They tend to kill themselves provided they are not passing. If they have failed their matric. Even recently I read somewhere on Facebook somebody killed herself because she did not pass. You understand? And now 2017 obviously pressure bekhona kubo choose. Into ngizokubuza yona ukuthi what's your take on those that have failed even recently? Sicela ukuthola ama results recently the matric results and stuff. What's your take or what's your advice to those that are doing matric if at all it happens ukuthi akayo pass? Because it's obvious. It's obvious. It's most likely ukuthi angeka pass yini into ezomenza ukuthi angapass. Like your motivation, what is it that you can English
that I can give? Yes. Based on my experience when Khumza ne mina I feel like I wasn't supposed to fail matric. I failed because of factors was ending. There was some a misunderstanding between me and the time I want to understand the separation between ukushona komzali and the time having to take umuntu omusha. I understand. So mina my situation is totally different. I wouldn't say being umntwana ophasa in as much as being ngaphasi that much, but I was an average student. The only thing also ubona ukuthi you were not average after scale. Yabona masungena to tertiary wise. You understand? So I wouldn't take my situation compare nomuntu ofunda matric now. But now what I would simply say as umuntu oyenza matric for instance now 2026 oyolinda ama results 2027. Mina I would simply say Khumza to lo muntu loyo. Don't pressure yourself, number one. Two, we know life has its own circumstances. And mawayenzeka Khumza, don't ask yourself ukuthi why ayenzeka kimi. They are bound ukuthi ayenzeke kuwe. So that you can be a motivation to the next person. You understand? So mase yenzekile lento leyo Khumza, should it happen uyo fail or laba bafailile currently, don't ever have a suicidal thoughts. That was the last thing I ever had at the back of my mind. Never ever. Because if uzoba suicidal, we share with a lot of questions. We need to question ourselves. Did we give him or her a proper support that he or she needed? Where exactly we were lacking? You understand? So since this is question, not you only, but us as a society, us as abangani bakho. You understand? Should we failure as a society to keep up with you? We share with a lot of questions. So instead of having those suicidal thoughts, why don't you go out? Now it's quite easier when Khumza, unlike mangenza research based on the foundation, we will go forward as sihamba with this chain. So understand, if we can check data, education uyifundile Khumza, in as much as it's similar between the two of us, it is similar, but umema ukufundisile, it's totally different to umema ungifundisa manje.
Nale way besifunda ngakhona thina is totally different from the way
nina bebanishaya bathini tie kanti the minute banishaya it's the moment banenza tie. But if you come to sit down with me understand this, no dibongs man 1 2 3 4
uyayibona ama results we tie education now.
Yeah, I understand. So uyayibona ukuthi mama yayibona now ukuthi sifana kanjani. But if only uno teacher or understand now, and I'm pretty glad manje sekunama policies amaningi and the government is trying by all means to protect us in terms of the education system. Sekunabo CAs amapolicy akutshelayo ukuthi no umntwana umtreata in this regard, bese kunalawo ma inclusive children bakutshela ukuthi no man maka inclusive awumraseli, but the minute usifunda lapha kulezikolo lezi ezinye zalabo mama
remember
bakudala
mfana ngizokuluka kanje khona omunye umenyera ngifunda labo ngensimbi mina aro bayakutshela phala to dom udom
low self esteem.
yeah uyakutshela like and manje makatshela omunye thina siyahlaphunya
Siyahleka.
you understand mazi ngakuwe
Sikhila i-self esteem yomunye umntwana kusasa akasabulo umntwana loyo khumza azoceda isikele and then sisithini avele lo vele kahle kahle deserve
kudala
your pay
bakubona
makatini
vele kudala.
umlimazi
Yeah.
yayibona. So these policies, I am pretty glad whoever came up with this situation or this solution, and we need to salute that particular
and also the involvement of our SGPs, because
involvement of-
when they introduced our SGPs, they just became there, but now there's a lot of involvement from the parent components of the school.
yayibona. So umntana ofunda matric mandisi ekhumza, we need to just give the support as much as we can. Nathi abazali, nathi as a community, we need to understand. Masimbona phumile adlala la estrateni. Uyabona ukuthi manje kuyabhalwa. Wena waloku wayinto la estrateni. We need to be a community keeper. Uyabona, community shaper. Shape that particular person. Usho ukuthi man angunderstand wena ngoba ushaya matric ngalesikhathi lesi. Why ujiva nami la? You need to be at school. Angizwisisi into yakho ithini into yakho.
I'll tell you that the way ukhuluma ngamnandi ngakhona vele was it one of your goals ukuthi ube a motivator in life, or you wanted to be something else and then one of the adversities happened, you found yourself now in the route that you're currently in?
Kumza, to be quite precisely or to be honest with you, mina ngithe ngathi mangiceda isikele bengifuna ukupursue i-project management in construction. Bengincane construction nakhona nginganya through ama friends esikele abazali babo bebaphethe new, as much as I said ukuthi ngibuye edu college, so bebaphethe new, so beba own multiple companies. So masengithi ngiyabheka ngiyabona no man, I can make living out of this, I can work for their companies, yabona. So ngathatha igap year and then I went to work a mine bengi exposed to construction and engineering ngaspanara, then ngakadara amasenti ngavaya ngazithatha ngazisa eske, yabona. So as time goes by mase ngipursue i-project management. So by the way ngishaya i-project management mase ngishaya yona ngiyipursue, and then and it's quite unfortunately makose ngishaya isponsor khona kwaba i-COVID-19. I only did ama practicals kuphela, but mase kumele ngipursue isponsor khona kwaba i-COVID-19, and then ama companies waqala wa retrench wenzana. So I never had that privilege. It's only now when I started going back to Edu College to give back because of the foundation. So they were donating some other things. So I decided, no man, because angispani manje kuyabheda, why don't I go back and utilize me ngizinikele da ngincede with whatever that I can.
Now, is that you as Bongani or you as the organization?
No, that's me as an individual.
Okay.
So masengiya da to give back my services just voluntarily, so yeah, because me and the school, we've got a great relationship. I get in there, I get exposed to a classroom, and then I get to understand the connection between me and the
How
kids.
can you get exposed to a classroom of Fundagi? Already you were exposed.
No, but before, remember, I was a student.
Also,
Now I'm looking it in a different dimension. Like I'm getting there, I get to see man. So naphela sengikhulile manje kumze yabona. In as much as ngingasegrowth that much, but sengiyakhula. Yabona. Ngiyakhona ukubona ukuthi no man. Why lento lesi singa implementing it, so mina ngifunde ngesystem eso, but now it's happening in this direction. You understand? So khona ubona enye into nge different dimension, then masohlanganisa 1 no 2, so yabona ukuthi man, basically it's charity, Cover My Book Foundation. I'm doing these things yokunceda abantwana. And then now I'm here at college.
Volunteer wenzani?
Basically I was just assisting in terms of admin and also as sports, because as much as I did say being athlete, I'm still an athlete. So I was rendering my services to sports coordination basically. Yeah, and then sometimes uthola ukuthi kuno teacher one but uyaphuma at a certain time. So sekumele manager lelo class lelo, then so uqala ubona ama behavior abantwana. Oh, lo behavior, so man nami I've been there. So mina ngichintshe kanjani situation esona.
So
and then I developed this thing of studying teaching.
Okay.
That's where it came from. So manje I'm busy pursuing that career teaching. So in just no time nami ngizobiza
Uyaqualify.
emabhukwini angcwele.
Yeah. Menir.
Yeah, ngibizwe ngomenyeri. In as much as ngiba khona esikele early college,
Yeah.
they still call me sir, but
Yes.
I still believe I've got a lot to do, you understand? So the passion yokuba lapha eklasini and then get to be exposed, plus most of my friends are teachers. So the conversation esiwasherago and people laba bangimentorako mase ngicheck. Copycat in a way, but
Yeah.
in a unique manner.
No,
Yabona?
you're copying something that
Something
is positive.
great.
Yes.
Yabona? So mase ngithatha ingisa to the universe. I have to portray imento yami. I have to portray umuntu engireporta kuyo ukuthi okay, I've got this situation. How do I handle it? Ukhumbule Khumza, if ngizokhuluma nawe ungimentor, I have to represent uKhumza. Because manje ebantwini ngiyofika ngikhuluma ngithi mina ngikhulisa uKhumza, but public speaking ngikhuluma nonsense nje.
So ucala la ngifuna ukunderstand this la. Should each and everything that you do, you always consult your mentor.
Not my mentor per se, but I've still got like my parents engizitopela wona la estrateni. Yeah, it's not mentor per se, but I do have people.
Or should it before when there's something you always consult?
I always consult Khumza because some other decisions mina mangihlezi ngiyiwani, I feel like no, lama decisions lawa right, but masophuma uthi you check bazokutshela ukuthi no, it's good.
Just phatha makaka manje uzoyenzani uzoconsult.
Ah, no, that's a personal decision le. Kunama personal decision then kunamanye mawuthi awabheka. You need to reflect ukusho ukuthi okay, mangishaya la ngiyoshootha ngiyowela kuphi, you understand? And then mase ngiwele la.
Ngoshootha ungangimindi ne. We shooting blanks no harm done ba.
Clear. You understand? So I have to know ukuthi mangishootha la ngiyowela kuphi. You understand? From this directive ngiya kuphi.
So you know, your story is very fascinating and it's also encouraging. Nami ngiyafisa wangadazini ngabe ngi backstep nyana. Ke ngithi uyeskele mhlambe I also love teaching, by the way. I also love teaching, but mina nami khona la ngiloku assist khona here and there with the skills that I have. You understand? Now ngifuna ukuya lapha ngoba sikhulume ngelo kanje. Organization, foundation. Ushuthi manje sesizogijimela phezulu. The birth of iCover My Book. The birth of iCover My Book, was it when you started to volunteer at your college, or it came after?
It came before.
It came before.
It came before.
Okay.
How did this thing come about? Hey, it's very like it's a kind of like a bittersweet moment, but mase reflect back uyabona ukuthi no. Bezikhala Khumza. Mina, I wouldn't say Khumza like I come from a less fortunate family background. So, many time I will span a crane. Makoko will span a crane. Yeah, bebahaya. Uyabona mangikhona not cheese boy per se. Ngidlala mina njengomntana sekasi, ngiyanqola, ngiyambasha. No, Khumza bengidla peanut butter nejam. And bengasidli besihlala sisebhegini sinomakoko besihlala silwa ke. Yeah, uphatha isikhaftini namuhla usidli kusasa ubuya naso awusidli. Like ibheke yambo uyithola na 3 isikhaftini. Weekend makoko makacala tuyawasha wenza.
Bake bakufakela ipeanut butter esikhafthinini leso sikhathi break ngo11. Uthole le peanut butter ukuthi injani la. Magogo uzongixolela makayibukela la ile. Mina I used to hate that.
Bese usifake ebhegini instead ukuthi uphe
ngoba ngisidla ngoba ekuzokhalifatu.
Mina akangisidli ke. Mina bengasidli ke Khumza bengisihlohlele ebhegini bengixolela ukudlala. Faka lento lapha ebhegini ngiyodlala. Ngiyadlala Khumza mase ufika endlini bakuprepare yazini magogo bekathatha isikhathi sakhe shaya isikhaftini esidese.
Yeah, yabona mangithi cheese boy mfundo yabona mangithi cheese boy yaphika ukuthi bekadla ipeanut butter. Nangu ubuyele back to nawe ngokufuna khona. Yeah, asambe sekucover my book.
So mina I come from a Ngca family besingekho rich but average. You understand? Ubona masokhula lo besi average. What happened as we come to discover my book thing? Khumza, it's a very sad story. Yet a bitter one, yet a happy. Yeah, sinezinto eziningi nje kumnandi kuyahlekisa kubhlungu. Umakoko yaspana sharp, laspana khona, itime yaspana man, yazi ama-time awayingeni. As long as upass, awayingeni. Time alingena amashifu libuye espanini, ubuyile skela sharp yakrena. Akakubuza ukuthi batheni kuyenzakala. Umakoko esibuyela ngabo 6-7 espanini, yabuya checka sharp. Ngiyeskele this other time umakoko uthengile ama-cover. Angikhavanga izincwadi Khumza. Angike ukukhava incwadi. ngilinda umagogo namagogo besizwana so linda umagogo uyabuya angimtsheli next makabuya mina sengiyalala nakabuya nyala ngicede about 4-5 days nyana ngikhavanga izincwadi. And then we go to this other teacher because uzivela abazali bonke avela wangitshela 99 Khumza phakathi kweclass as much as usho ukuthi and nginale issue leyo ngalezigele la ekhasi sirelaxile submit izincwadi kwemakho samba ngeline asamba ngeline yafika uyamikisa niyajika nhlala phansi umeme yamakho mani kubuye kwabuya le yami Khumza yancwadi lo meme ngikutshela ukuthi azange abheke igama wavela wathatha le ncwadi wayiphonsa so ati mina ngeke ngizoyimakha incwadi enqunu achaza incwadi engakhavara asani mayibuya le ncwadi Khumza yabuya inala madrata la adabuka lapha eclassini into bayihleka
zakhona
into abayihleka wena Khumza inhliziyo yami yababhlungu and not ukuthi angi-afford or in. And that was the birth of icover my book, but I didn't know. You understand? I was motivated on that day magenzeka lento bahleke classini kwa there's this other chair ohlala la ngase moonlight la shoota khona opposite uphumla. She always remind me that story every time angibona ukuthi wena bake baphonsa incwadi yakho. Yeah, and by the way now she's a teacher now in profession. We always reflect on this. You understand? Khumza it was very very painful on that day. Mase ngifika nginarrate story kumagogo na vile ngidonsa ngendlela athi ohleleleni izincwadi ezingakhava. Yayibona faka isibhacu umagogo kusasibuye igrand incwadi ikhaviwe. Man 2 weeks down the line homunye bamphinda futhi eclassini angimakha incwadi engakakhava vele lo meme vele ngathi bokuyistyle sakhe lesokuphonsa izincwadi vele bekafuna ukuthi uyenze sure ukuthi uyayikhava lana. Mina every year masesicala isigele izincwadi zami sezikhaviwe masesicala isigele izincwadi ezikhaviwe but still kubuya lento le mabatshela umunye ngiba nale ya memory le ya flashback le iyabuya yayibona iyabuya le ya flashback iyabuya until I got to also kwake makacala uhulumende introduce this thing of EA and GAs the program le yenza Cyril. I don't know which year it was. I came across the very same kind of a concept. New volunteer with one of the schools ba stasha as those EAs. That thing was said. I'm like, nah, writing le. And then I sat down with 1 or 2 of my friends. I was like, end of that man, now it's December. How about we initiate something next year January? But it has to be unique nje. Mina I'm willing to give back. Mara ukuthi njani? La isigele. Because manje sesibile isigele sayosipana khona. What best can we do la isigele nje? Yabona. Because sabona wonke umuntu umikisa ama sanitary pads, school shoes, yabona. But yini into esingayishaya? I understand. Ate mina ndo tangaza. Ngathi angazi. But I've got this idea. We're going to encounter so. How about we do this? And then I presented this thing to this other lady. Was Pretoria untebaleng mashaba. I'm like, I was in there. Ngimbiza Khalati. I've got this concept, man. Ege angitrigara ngisakhulu. So manje ngisengiyayenza, ngifuna ukuyenza. Bring it into existence. Singayishaya na. No, go ahead, do your research. And if you need something, let me know. I'll pop up funds. If you need a poster, I know someone who will do the poster on your behalf. I did the research, mangishay. And then I sat down this other day, ngihlezi ngiwani Khumza man. Ngiba nale memory manje sengikhulile phela. Ngiba nale memory yalo thisha lo veli oyenza the very same thing ajikisa umntwana eclassini tabana ungena eclassini nami incwadi ingakakhavanga. Cabanga sana. Umntwana kumele alinde ngaphandle abukele abanye abantwana efasтерini babhala lapho. Umtshela ukuthi awungena eclassini nami incwadi.
Leyo setup ngiyayikena nami esemalokishini.
And uthi ayibheka nesikhumza leyo situation leyo. We as teachers ngizoziconsider as a teacher.
Mina ngingasikudala uthola into zakho mfana.
We are quick to judge without having to understand the core fundamental rule ukuthi lo mntwana lo what's the reason ukuthi angayikhava incwadi. You understand? Angithi benza ngamabomu abazali but kunamakhaya Khumza sokola serious. You understand? Thola ukuthi umzali bayi3 mhlamba abantwana. For instance ngiyabekisa bayi3. Bathola leyo 450 or whatever the amount that they are getting. Bayi3. Mhlambe lo uyenza grade 8, lo uyenza grade 4. Maybe lo munye use crash. Ukhumbula ama priorities walabantu laba bayi3 awafani. Yabona? Kufuneka school fees of which it's like 60 rand, 80 rand. I don't know how much is it now like us. Kumele atobetse kuleyo mali leyo lo makokolo. Yabona? Kumele futhi athenge i-stationery. Kusafuneka ama-shirt amasha uthola ukuthi lo uphuma grade 7 uya grade 8 utshintsha isikole yabona let's prioritize lo at least lezi zinto zakhe zalo zingacover lo.
Asicheck futhi mhlambe nokuthi uhlala lapha sithi for argument sake uhlale sanqoba kodingeka itransport ufunda la eBongensimbi.
Yayibona.
Yeah.
Ama factors anjalo kusamele cover izinto ezinjalo. Lo mzali uhamba ngani? Ngale pace kahulumeni amnike yona. Izibhanda zisatholakala manje khumzi. We don't have to lie. Sithi in e. Uyangithola? So thina manje sizibona siphethe lama 20k swatholako lapha. Sesizibona ngathi
Touching kule ndaba yezibhani ukuthi azitholakali not just ukukhipha kancane. Ugwede Mantashe uthi senza ngamabomu kungatholakali isibhani. What's your take on that?
yabona manje uyangikhipha but we
Sizobuyela njengoba ukhuluma into so because like look ne siyababona abafethu bayazama nathi siyazama siyazifuna isibani hence sigcine sesicreate lapha nalapha ukuthi sikhona ukusipana but for someone who is a national leader to say abantu bayavilapha abafuna ukufuna umsebenzi.
no angisho ukuthi uyangikhipha in a way ukuthi ungikhipha out of topic but manje so ufuna ukuzwa the call in me, you understand? To be quite honest ngiyibhekile la ile ngikhuluma eGrootman. Ayijabulisi at all because first izibhani zibulawa yibo lapha fethu la. Izibhani bayazibulala but izikhona azikho khumzi yibo abazibulala. Not so long ago I was just reading on eMalahleni FM news. TY Transaloys, it's about to retrench 600 people. Yavala. And the more to check out the determining factor yokuvala kwe-Transaloys. But it's a higher levy. But it's a higher levy of ESCOM. ESCOM iphethe practical yet. Yiba balapha kuba state enterprise and whatnot. Why don't they negotiate on behalf of these people and say, okay, sharp, we do understand ukuthi ama levies are high. And then thina sizon subsidize in this way just to keep the production going. And the more it's a sabotage from us. And the yithi silamba kakhulu yithi siproducer kakhulu ngabhewibheng bavala thina kuphela mina that's my only concern.
Hayi mfana yeah
Most of the things this side
yeah hayi inalento lena ukuthi makuphuma ama post kuthiwa kufuneka experience
uyithatha ibrakhumza ngana
experience ngapha izinto
ngapha uyangivalele yayibona so makuvala iTransaloys vele that means it's the end of Wheatbank
ichayile nabo
Highveld
bavala.
mina makuvala iHighveld I was privileged bengispana abantwana bengifunda nabescale ama-time abo bebaspana iHighveld makuvala iHighveld lapha esikoleni baziba batshela batathi nasi iHighveld specifically singanenzela umusa sinsubsidize i-school fees ubone ukuthi bezikhala. Highveld was the hub of Wheatbank so masivala ku Transaloys manje ishayi hayi shayi. So getting back to our story khumze yabona thina masesiphethela ama 20k wethu we feel like we're the best, hence we not. We tend to judge. Judge lo yamntana lo not having to understand the background yakhe. You understand? Ngizovele ngimshayothe based on izinkinga zami ne-girlfriend yami esilwe ngazi izolo. Ngithatha ama-anger issues wami wayizolo ngifuna ukukhiphela kulo mntwana. Yaphuma la kule class wena ukukhavanga izincwadi kanti ngifuna ukukhipa le anger benginayo last night. You understand? Ngikhiphele emntwini onjani.
And I mean it's like you said ukuthi there's a whole lot of reasons why ezinye izincwadi zingakhavanga to an extent. Now I remember when you talking about this ngiyazithatha nami ngizibuyisela time ngise student uthola umoya cover incwadi yakhe ngephepha leso-10 bese athi plastic nakhona iplastic lakhona namawuthi uyalibheka just for the sake of ukuthi incwadi yakhe ikhona ukumakhwa and stuff. Now there's a question when Athanasius engifuna ukuphuza yona bongani cover my book, like okay, let's talk about this covering of the books because that's an activity which is taking place in the beginning of the year. Yes. Ne? And we've got like how many terms in a school? It's about 4 terms, and they cover my book foundation the way in one would say it's only limited to the beginning of the year. What other activities that are you guys doing? Because I'm seeing something here which is rap, protect, educate. You understand? Can you like take us through? Okay, cover my book foundation. Yes, like I said.
Yes. Ukhumbule khumza ngikushiye on the loophole, you understand? Based on the question le obesibamba. Suze singene kule ukuthi ngikhola 20k ngirasela lo yamntwana. As understandanga the fundamental rule. Yabona? So how did Cover My Book come about? It came about along those lines. Ama initiative maningi sharp. And then we decided to be unique, come up with this. So mina masengishaya that research. Ngithola ukuthini ukuthi okay, the most important golden rule, escale, it's a book. A book carries so much information. As Mangpalima is something Pantikums, it can sustain me the next 10 years. But for it to sustain me, it has to be wrapped. It has to be protected so that it can educate. Hence why the slogan, wrap, protect, educate. So ngabona ukuthi no man. Labantwana laba njengoba sibasho Khumza, they finished the first term. Isincwadi lokho do ukukhava. Yabona? Because makose you carve, siba prioritize ini ile izimpahla ziwinter. Yabona? So that's why mina ngabuya ngeza nale initiative of like cover my book charity drive. Yabona? Saba ne first encounter which was 21 January 2022 eMalom. That was a great one. Khumza sisiqalile sengimobilize abantu bami la bengikhona ukuhlanganisa nakhona ngiyahlanganisa man. Nayi concept. They love the concept Khumza. We went to eMaloma, Mr. Mishek Mahlangu was welcome adaka mnandi. Safika was identify labantwana vele. Masika identify labantwana, this was our first interception. Sakava izincwadi sesiwamobilizile ama runners.
Is he identifying those that are from less privileged backgrounds?
Yes, privileged background. Ukhumbule vele izigeleza like us accommodates vele the less fortunate ones in most cases because thina singathi average sizibala lapha kuBukharisa and what not, they understand. But hence bakhona abanye like us uthola vele ba on par ngestation apha.
Abana thina besigrade mara shaya ngayiqeda le lokushini.
Yeah, our situation awafani. Yeah. So sayishaya and then mase sishaya so kuba exposed izinto la Khumza. So uyabona ukuthi no man, this thing was nice. Maso shaya postmortem yale event and then you consult ku scale ubuza ukuthi man, how was the progress after senzile into le? Sebayakubalela ukuthi no man, nina nivalele uhlazo beningaliboni ukuthi likhona la. Yabona? Masokhuluma nalama young teachers. Angisabali le older generation le. Sesikhuluma maye nentanga zethu. Intime man colleague lento le manje njengoba ngishayile when you how do you go about it asakutshela ukuthi uvalo lunye uhlazo yabona ukuthi sekuba njani and then said how about we do the next one, we did the next one up until last year where masishaya I third one, that was the third one, sishaya the third one. By the way, we were not like fully registered or a profit or non-profit organization, just we were rolling as friends. Decided no man, let's shine lento le until we got formalized because of an influential we got from a certain person which she doesn't like to be mentioned. Yeah, but no man guys, I like the concept, but please for you to be mainly recognized, register direct. And I mean by the time I was a bit skeptical ngok register because like yabona masicala into singanamali sirana at our own pocket siyaluza, it's fine, but one day we will tell a story. Yeah, machita bataya register namanga tato si register. No, because cala register there's money involved. Khumza sekafuna benefit. Yeah, again 100,000 la 500,000. Play 500,000. Why singayidli man? You understand? Yeah, sesaqala
uhambe eceleni kwesicathulo no last
manje soshaya into
uyayibona.
So I was skeptical because of those. I've been to NPOs, I've been to ama organization ngabona ukuthi how do people run. You understand? Until saba formalized, but mase si formalize, I was clearly to labantu nabo ama board of directors. But no, me, I'm approaching you guys because of two reasons. You guys are matured enough, number one. You've carried me, number two. You've been with me. You've been popping funds from your own pocket. You guys decided to trust me with your own monies. That one. Three, you understand ukuthi masesiqala sesirun in as much as there's no money or there's going to be money. I know one of the board director. She's an accountant by profession. The other one, she's a secretary. At lama title no habambe msebenzini. Yila wenzobuya no bambela because I know when accountant.
That is also them giving back.
Ngathi when accountant, treasurer. Nyazi, you are very much strict emalini awudlala. So it must tell us it is keep imali uyobuza ukuthi on what grounds. Iyo benefit abani. You understand? When we start having money which says Cover My Book Foundation SA, we know for sure ukuthi imali yakho kumele isebenze according to the constitution esidrafti.
Mfana sani istory sakho is very beautiful and there's ningi izinto esingazicover, but now because of time, I understand there's an event which is taking place on the 7th of February eHlalani kahle. awusidosele yona ke mhlambe because sengishawa isikhathi ke manje bese sizoyidonsa siyilule sithi but manje kulesikhathi esisele can you 7 say what's happening on the 7th of February?
7th of February, Kumza, it's our 4th additional Cover My Book charity drive, whereby we'll be mobilizing 5 years goal. It's Konzimfundo Hlalani Kahle, which is the hosting school. Imaloma, Isiyangoba, and also Konzimfundo Primary School. These 5 schools, they hold a very special place in my heart. Sizobe sihlanganyele nabo bazo identify bonke abantwana balesi fortunate. We didn't give them ukuthi okay Konzimfundo sifuna 10. Sithe wonke umntwana olesi fortunate. Sicela bas identify le because they know exactly bona ukuthi muphi.
So ngezi 7 all these schools that you have mentioned sihlangana in one school.
Sihlangana in one school
which is Hlalani Kahle.
Which is Hlalani Kahle Primary School. 8 o'clock in the morning babe bafikile labantwana. Sizamile sisazama futhi namanje. Si collect ama plastic covers, all the school materials.
So it's like going to be covering books drive.
It's a covering book drive
day. Covering book drive day.
On that day, cover incwadi from 8 a.m. until wonke umntwana aphumela pa cover incwadi. Akunamntwana oyobezela lapha ngacover incwadi from those mentioned schools. Yes.
So I hope to see abantu. Please, manje sengithatha ngiphosela ngala emphakathini wethu. Umphakathi nge7 zaka February, which is going to be a Saturday. It's going to be a Saturday. Kuzobe ngekho busy. Cover My Book Foundation together with other stakeholders, they are having this Cover My Book drive where they are going to assist less privileged kids abangakhona ukuafforda ukuthola ama cover ukuthi incwadi zabo zibe zihle. Ngiyacela ezi013 let us come ngothi lwethu size ngothi uyazi ngothi lwethu size ngothi lwethu sizo assista because education is very important, and what Bongani is doing as a young man, it's something that we need to embrace as the community yaseMalahleni. Your closing words wena bafana yo wena Bongani before sivaya awuthiyami what are your closing words?
First of all, I would like to thank our sponsors. First of all, our media sponsor 013 Golden Circle. We're truly much grateful for this opportunity, and also on the day of the event, you guys are gonna be there. We know for sure. We thanks to Ashland Tuli Attorneys, Mementos Trading 1988 Pty Ltd, Waltins SA, Touch Your Meal, M&N Reality Group. Sibonga kakhulu for the support and extending the hand to come and be part of this initiative by donating our book covers, stationery accessories, and all other necessary equipment that is needed on the day. Sibonga kakhulu. As we Cover My Book Foundation with the slogan Rep, Protect, Educate, we are clearly looking forward to see you guys there on the day of the event. We are not paying anyone. We just need someone who's willing to come, extend a hand, help us to fulfill our vision, our mission, to put a smile on these kids and make sure they have a fruitful year. Yeah, this is not only going to be the last event, Kumza, as much as you said. We're also doing higher educational drive, which is this year. I think it's a premature decision for now, but I know for sure, as much as we spoke last year, Bonginsimbi will be the beneficial school. Last year, we went to Elukanyiswini, whereby we assisted one of, there were about 255 kids. Sabancedisa for apply online. It didn't only end in there. We also paid for their registration fee. We don't have money, but how did we pay for our registration fee? We had a company which endorsed this project. So sabapatalela. And as our matric results started to Puma not so long ago, I had a text with this other girl. She sent me a message. I was like, thank you for the wonderful work that you are doing for our community. I'm like, how? Hi, who are you? Uti, I'm this particular girl. Thank you for helping me. I've passed with, she said diploma or something, and then I also got 4th distinction. By the way, I got a provisional acceptance last year. This year I got accepted at Stellenbosch University. So in not so long ago, she'll be going to university through what? Through Cover My Book Foundation SA and also Mementos Trading 1988 Pty Ltd. Because of that foundation, because of the drive we did last year, and I've seen Bonginsimbi just did some extra work this year. They obtained 96 point something %. So Bongintsimbi, be ready for us
Fana,
this year.
with that said, thank you very much for honoring the invitation. As much as Sispanisana and everything, don't forget to like and subscribe to our page on YouTube. We are 013 GCTV Media. Facebook is just Golden Circle. Then Instagram, TikTok. 013 Golden Circle. We are Parala Makama. Kumzato, Stof Samalash, like I said, coming to you from A Moonlight, the Willie Ackerman.